So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the bike again, and what we're going to be doing is upgrade K&N filters. Well, I say upgrade in a sense that we're just replacing the original part. Do I gain something? A little bit of horsepower. It's proven. They have tested it. One video that you can watch about K&N filter is Engineering Explained. He used it. Well, it's on a car, but it's the same concept. The gain was not so much. It's about what, 2 horsepower. But imagine 2 horsepower on one upgrade. If you have what, 10 upgrades of basic 2 horsepower, that's 20 horsepower. So it's still an upgrade so far. But let's talk about pros and cons. Definitely there is always a pros and there's a cons. Pros, you don't have to buy a filter again. Pros is the additional horsepower. Cons, because my 2 cars has K&N filters, and one of the cons is that you really have to clean your throttle body a little bit much more often. It does, it builds a little bit of a gunk in your throttle body because of the oil that you put on the filters. Second cons is that you need to buy the oil to oil this up. It's still expenses. It's like, it's almost like changing your filters every now and then. And then, yeah, third is you really need to clean this much often also. They tend to clog up very fast. And that's it. But I like having K&N filters on my car. And this is the first time I'm gonna have it on my bike. So most of the time, just either I have no filter or the cone type, some cheap filters. And I just got this for a steal, so I took it. Anyways, let's put it in. So 8 mil. There's 2 8 mils to be removed. So take off your seats so you can flip up your tank. Ooh, dirty. And then okay, and then there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screws. So here's my filter. It's really dirty. I'm sure if I would dyno this bike compared to the K&N, I'll probably gain 5 horsepower. So we're here, we might as well clean the throttle body. So cleaning them, don't be afraid to open up your throttle because our bikes are cable driven and not drive by wire, so we don't have any issues of resetting our throttle position. Let's take this off. I'm not satisfied. Maybe I can clean it better with this off. I need to probably replace these hoses next time. They're all, see? So it's all clean. Let's spray some lithium grease on our cable. Then let's spray some contact cleaner. And then let's clean the throttle body. Okay, is that clean enough for you? How do you think will it sound without the housing and the filter? That sounds meaner. I'm happy with it. It's clean. And let's put the housing back and then the filter. And then we're done. Well, that's how anal I am. All right, let me put it back. So there are 3 connectors that we need to reconnect. One, this is this position like that. So underneath that will be 1, 2, and then 3. And then hoses will be 2 small ones and then 2 big ones. So when installing the filter, you don't need the gasket on the cover and on the bottom part. Now this should sit flat into it. So there goes our air filter change, K&N, shout out. Maybe they will sponsor me. Let's start it, because I felt like when we removed the buffle, it was, you know, the housing buffle. I don't know how they call it. It sounds louder. It does sound louder, because now it's back to normal. Anyways, that's done. Tomorrow we'll be cleaning the chain and the rear end. So I use simple green and kerosene when I was cleaning the engine. Carburetor tune-up conditioner when I was cleaning the throttle body. Electrical parts cleaner for the connectors, and some white lithium grease. And that's it. Hope you like this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.